In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music in CapCut. First, open CapCut. You can use the web version in your browser or the mobile or desktop app. The process is very similar across platforms. Once you're in, start a fresh project by selecting Create New. This sets up a clean workspace so you can focus on your edit without distractions. Next, choose the 16:9 option. This sets your project to a standard landscape aspect ratio, which is perfect for platforms like YouTube and most computer screens. Setting the ratio at the start helps your visuals and audio line up correctly and saves you from awkward cropping later. Now, let's add music using CapCut's built-in tools. Look for the audio option in the editor. This opens CapCut's audio library and your available sound assets. Browse through the categories or search to find a track that fits your edit. You can preview tracks to hear how they feel with your video. When you've found music you like, select it so it's ready to use. From there, drag the track down into the timeline. Place it on the audio track beneath your video clips. You can position the start of the music at the very beginning, or align it with a specific moment in your footage, like a transition or a key scene, to make the rhythm hit just right. If the waveform looks small or large, don't worry. That's just the visual representation of the sound. You can fine-tune things later as you continue editing. If you prefer to use your own music, there's another simple method: uploading. You can bring in audio files directly from your computer. Just drag the file from your desktop or folder straight into the CapCut window. You'll see it appear in your media bin once it's uploaded. After it imports, drag that audio file into the timeline the same way as before. Place it under your video and line it up where you want it to begin. This is a great option if you're working with royalty-free tracks you've downloaded or original music you've created. Always make sure you have the rights to use the music in your project, especially if you plan to publish it online. And that's all you need to add music in CapCut. Start a project, set your aspect ratio, choose a track from the audio panel, or bring in your own, and drag it to the timeline. With your soundtrack in place, your edit instantly feels more polished and engaging.